Hey guys, hope everyone's doing okay on this cold week that we're having here in January. They're calling for snow and cold weather this weekend, so hunker down and maybe jump into this Moodle section with multimedia design and try to get some work done. As I mentioned to some of you, we're going to be kind of reviewing Adobe XD. We worked on a mobile website last semester that many of you struggled with at the tail end of the semester. This is extremely important information and some skills that you definitely have to have prior to leaving this program. So we're going to be reviewing Adobe XD. We're going to go back and rework the tutorial because I think some of you have just kind of breezed through that and really didn't grasp the skills required to develop a mobile website. Once we get done with that tutorial, we're going to rework our Adobe XD project, mobile website project, where we're developing a mobile website for the printing and graphics department here at the college. So it's the same project. Again, 90% of the projects that were submitted were not complete. And again, I can't reiterate enough how important this user interface design and user experience, these user experience skills that we're trying to develop in this class. And I know this format is difficult being totally online, but I do have see most or all of you in class. So if you have any trouble with the software, certainly reach out to me. I'm not willing to move forward and leave these skills behind that you guys need to gain. So look into the class, rework that tutorial project, which is due Sunday night, January 23rd. So that'll give you through the weekend to revisit that. Make sure you understand every facet of that. And I will be posting the review or rework project shortly here in a little bit. But again, don't breeze through the tutorial. Make sure that you have a firm understanding of how this software works. When you go to create your mobile website, this website should be fully functional. So the link that you give me at the end of the project, it should be a fully functional mobile website. You can download the Adobe XD app on your phone. If you save everything to the cloud, you should be able to test it on your phone. But we're trying to make decisions as you're developing the website on how the menus are going to work. The menus should work. Everything should be linked. Again, this should be a fully functioning website when you're done. But anyway, just want to let you know that information is up. Rework the tutorial, then look for the mobile website project. Once we get past the mobile website project, we'll be moving forward with the desktop website project, again using Adobe XD. So this is not going away. Make sure you fully understand that before you move on to your project. But if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You know how to get a hold of me. I'll see most of you in my blended classes, but if you have questions, certainly reach out to me. And have a safe weekend and hope to see you soon.